How to add money to Onepay. So what you're gonna have to do is just directly log into your account and you should see the cash section in the home page. So on the home, you should be able to see the add money button. What you're gonna have to do is just press that, of course, then this will pop up. So you're gonna have to put in mind that in order to have faster transactions, you're gonna have to choose an amount that is 25 or greater. So just go ahead and put in 25 if you want a faster transaction. If it's anything below that, it's gonna take a longer duration to actually get the money. But again, just go ahead and place in an amount that you prefer. So once you press on continue, you will get your payment methods. Pretty much depends on how much you have chosen as well. So it's either Apple Pay as well, or debit card, or basically the options that, of course, they will show you. But after that, once you go ahead and choose, let's say you went for Apple Pay, you can go ahead with that process. Basically, you can even change the payment method if you have other payments from your Apple Pay. But once you go ahead and finally choose a payment method that, of course, that has funds, it's gonna go ahead and immediately transfer the money from wherever you're getting it from to your OnePay. But that's pretty much how you add money to your OnePay. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.